Hi, my name is Tim Hess, and I'm a Platinum driver for Uber, which means that I provide excellent service for my passengers. On top of this, I'm also an experienced Lyft driver, and some of you may know me from my YouTube channel, where I've been sharing my experiences rideshare driving for over the past year now. But to provide you with the best information possible, I've also spoken to hundreds of other drivers, and I've put this all into one single rideshare driving course. If you're a beginner in the field or you're already experienced with Uber and Lyft driving, in my course you'll discover many ways to earn more during your working hours. No matter what your skill level is with Uber or Lyft driving, I'm sure you want to know how to maximize your profits, and here's where to begin. So first, what you'll want to do is find out when the longest distance trips happen in your city. So for me, as a driver in Chicago, I've found that the longest distance trips happen between O'Hare Airport and downtown Chicago, which is about a 16-mile trip. Because Uber and Lyft both charge passengers in two ways based on the distance driven and the time spent in the vehicle, you can maximize both of these factors by doing the longest distance trips possible. So I've found for me that knowing the best times for airport trips can help me earn the most money with the Uber and Lyft platform. And because I know the best times, I'm able to go out Sunday mornings, Monday mornings, and Friday mornings, and I'm able to get lots of airport trips and earn extra money even without Uber and Lyft's promotions and bonuses. Another thing you might want to do to maximize your driver earnings is to sign up for both the Uber and Lyft driver apps. So by doing this, you can up to double your earnings during off hours when you might just be sitting in a parking lot and waiting for rides, and you can get double the rides during these times by having both apps on. But there's also a couple strategies to keep in mind to make sure that you're actually maximizing your earnings, and at the same time you're not jeopardizing your driver acceptance rate. So one of these strategies is that if you're online with both of the platforms, once you receive a ride request and accept it with one of the platforms, you should immediately go offline with the other platform. And this is to make sure that you don't lower your driver acceptance rate by getting more rides than you can handle. Secondly, you'll also want to check for promotions on both of the apps before going online with them. For example, there could be a consecutive trip promotion going on only with the Uber app, where if you do 3 rides in a row, you'll get a $5 bonus. You won't want to put a bonus like this in jeopardy by also turning the Lyft app on at the same time. And you should also keep other bonuses in mind, such as weekly promotions, and you won't want to put those in jeopardy as well. In the course, I'm teaching you to be the best and most profitable driver you can be, and I go into depth about these and many more tips. So if you want to begin maximizing your earnings with Uber and Lyft and have the highest income you can get with the platforms, you'll want to check out my course. All you have to do is click the link to find out more.